This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. Proof of concept exploits for critical vulnerabilities in 3 popular WordPress plugins have been made publicly available. Plugins are Paid Memberships Pro, Easy Digital Downloads, and Survey Marker. These plugins are highly popular with tens of thousands of active installations. The critical vulnerabilities would allow an attacker to modify or delete data, inject malicious scripts, or gain full access to the website. Security updates for all the plugins have been released by their authors. So if you're using one of those plugins, make sure you have updated to the latest version.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.